Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Apple Pay with Safari. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Apple Pay with Safari, then this video is definitely for you. It's gonna help you out on this. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to do this. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to open Safari on your Mac, and then you're gonna visit a website that accepts Apple Pay, and then just click the Apple Pay button to initiate the payment process. Now you're gonna have to use Touch ID on your Mac to authenticate the transaction. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Apple Pay with Safari. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.